Trading is a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. Embrace the challenges, learn from your mistakes, and keep pushing forward. Success is within your reach. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to talk about a new indicator. If you follow my instructions and use this strategy, I'm sure you won't lose your capital. Watch the whole video to learn how this indicator works and how to use it correctly without any losses. By subscribing to my channel, you'll have access to profitable indicators and be able to avoid losses. Let's start the trading video. Buyers are strong here. Buyers have broken the red line. Here we get the signal for entry. The MAA line breaks the red line from bottom to top. Now is the perfect time to enter a trade with the seller. Here the candles broke the blue line to the downside. Here, we have the blue moving average, MA, breaking the red line from top to bottom, completing all our confirmations. It's an opportune moment to trade with sellers. You can also trade on this signal when the red line turns downward after running straight. Here, keep in mind that the MA line is crossing the red line and moving in that direction. Okay, I think you have understood the signals of this indicator very well. Take care and see you in the next video with another good indicator. Bye.